We're back on the road, continuing our trip to the Maritimes. But this week, we kick things off with family time on Lake Ponderosa near Montezuma, Iowa. Then we attend my niece's wedding in Galena, Illinois, and wind our way through Wisconsin for a must-see stop at Greenbay's Lambeau field. If you're new here, I'm Jolynn, this is Brad, and our trusty sidekick, Riker. And together, we've been traveling North America in our van we call the SqWatch Dog. So, buckle up. It's time for another SqWatch Dog adventure. If you watched last week's video, you know that we arrived at my sister's house on Lake Ponderosa in Iowa. So let the relaxation begin. Riker, so this is the life, isn't it? Yeah, out on a pontoon. Floating on a pontoon today. What do you think, Brad?
I like it.
He likes it. I'm a little nervous because we're going to go through this speedboat. Ay, ay, ay. Here we go.
Smells like power.
If that ride wasn't enough, now it's time to get ice cream in this. Hey baby, can I have a ride? There we go.
Is that for you? Have a great rest of your night.
Thank you. All right, that looks yummy. That's an interesting ice cream cone. But all good things must come to an end. So now we leave my sister and her husband's house and head to their daughter's wedding in Galena, Illinois. Goodbye. We're coming into Dubuque, Iowa and the Mississippi River. So Dubuque, Iowa is a cute little historic town. Who says Iowa is flat? You're a liar. You are a liar. One of the fun things you can do in Dubuque is ride the funicular known as the Fenelon Place Elevator Company. So this is where you pay to get on and off. Said to be the shortest yet steepest railway in the United States. Oh my God, it is steep. That is true. But you got some great views up here of the Mississippi River and 3 states of Iowa, Illinois, and Wisconsin. That's kind of cool. Here we go. So this funicular was built by a guy named J.K. Graves back in 1882. He worked on the bottom of a bluff, but he lived on the top of the bluff. And he only had an hour and a half for lunch each day. So he had somebody build this for him. He saw some funiculars when he was traveling in Europe. He thought this would be a great solution so he could get home for lunch and take a nap. Go so slowly as we come to a stop.
Cool.
All right, let's go walk around here a little bit. Ooh, we can get some ice cream if we want. That sounds good. There are so many cute stores here in Dubuque, like this one called Elevated Images. Just as soon as you get off of that elevator, and here it is. This is a great store. So are these pictures that you took yourself?
I've taken all of these with drone. I'm a drone pilot, so I've been flying drones for 10 years, and every single image in the store is taken with a drone.
These are beautiful images. So if you're ever in Dubuque, Iowa, stop at Elevated Images. It's well worth a stop.
Thank you.
I love Dubuque. It's a cute little historic town. It's also home to Loras College, which is a private Catholic college, which is the oldest post-secondary institution in the state of Iowa, and it offers both undergraduate and graduate programs. So now we are crossing the Mississippi River and we're going to be heading into Illinois. But the interesting thing is if you cross the Mississippi River over there, you cross into Wisconsin. So we're right on the Iowa, Wisconsin, Illinois border on the Mississippi. Little town of Galena, and this is where the wedding is going to be taking place this weekend. Well, we're wrapping up the night for the wedding rehearsal just outside of Galena, Illinois, and the sunset is perfect. Galena, Illinois is an old ore lead mining town that was formulated back in 1827. It got its name from the lead ore called Galena, and now much of the town is under the Register of Historic Places. There are so many cute little shops in Galena. Where you can make bracelets, and that's what we're going to do today. Make some bracelets. This is the charm bar.
And I'm getting this too.
So once I pick out all my charms, then they assemble them for me onto my ankle bracelet. This is what I picked out. What did you get, Keegan?
A bunch of random stones.
Anything that signifies your wedding weekend? Maybe we need to find something.
Oh, I guess a little heart.
There you go.
And then I got a worry stone.
Oh, worry stone. There you go. I love it. Don't worry. Be happy. But we are here for a wedding.
for her wedding. So my sister Joanne and I, who's Keegan's mom, we've been practicing. And she brought her ukulele so that we could perform tonight. Where's your ukulele? You didn't bring it? Are you serious?
All right, the wedding part of the trip is done and over. So now we're going to make our way up to Canada, right?
Now the journey begins after
it does.
2,000 miles.
Today we're going to go to Greenbay. That should be fun.
Yeah.
And we'll see what interesting stops we can find along the way. We're going to be going to a couple of Great Lakes. That'll be kind of cool before we cross into Canada. So I'm looking forward to this trip. This is going to be an interesting one.
Wish us luck.
I think we're about ready to cross over into Wisconsin, which is going to be a new state that we have not been in with the SqWatch Dog yet. Kind of crazy because we've been to Northeast Iowa, we've been to Northwest Illinois, but we have not been into Wisconsin. Wisconsin welcomes us, Brad.
All right, get a bratwurst.
Oh yeah, bratwurst and cheese curds. That's what Wisconsin's all about. So now we're heading towards Milwaukee, Wisconsin, and we're going to skirt up Lake Michigan and make our way to Green Bay, where we're going to spend the night at a harvest host. So this should be fun. It's going to be a brew pub where we're going to stay in their parking lot, I'm sure, but it'll be a good place to stay. And it's over near Lambeau Field, so I think we might go check out the place where the Green Bay Packers play. So this should be a fun day. You're all about seeing football stadiums, aren't you?
I'd rather see a game, but it might be worth walking to.
Yeah. Who knows? Maybe they'll be practicing.
Yeah, probably are.
So we're making our way into Milwaukee, which is known as Brew City. And one of the reasons why it's known as Brew City is because back in the 19th century, it was a big brewery town. Like they were making Pabst Blue Ribbon, Schlitz, Miller beer. So it's not really Brewer City in terms of the three big beer companies back in the 19th century, but they make a lot of craft beer now. So they have a big craft beer festival here in Milwaukee, I guess.
Oh.
So it's still beer town. Still a beer town. I think we're coming into Lake Michigan. I can see it up ahead.
Cool.
Yeah, that's very cool. One of the Great Lakes. Here we are along Lake Michigan in Milwaukee. One of the Great Lakes. We're coming into downtown Port Washington, Wisconsin. And apparently they've got a really cute harbor right along Lake Michigan. So this thing covered up out here is a lighthouse that they're restoring. There's a lot of cute little shops here in Port Washington, Wisconsin, but I ended up getting this little sticker for my van. There's the van. The van's getting a new sticker. And here's downtown Green Bay, home of the Packers. So we're coming up on our home for the night, and right in front of us is Lambeau Field, home of the Green Bay Packers. This is where we're going to be staying tonight, in the parking lot of Badger State Brewing Company, just down the street from Lambeau Field. This should be interesting. So I'm going to head into the tap room right now and check in. These guys are a harvest host. That's why we're staying here. This is Brian Bartlett Starr, otherwise known as Bart Starr, who was my brother's favorite player when we were growing up. Well, we made it to Lambeau Field, home of the Greenbay Packers. As my brother might say, go Pack, go. So not only does the Stadium View Bar have great music, and they're close to the stadium, but they're also dog friendly. Right, Riker? Where else can you get a flight of cheese curds? Bacon cheese curds, dill cheese curds, and regular Wisconsin cheese curds. These are good. So let's go over to Badger State Brewing Company and spend our $30 on beer and food as Good Harvest Host members. Tonight we got a Supreme Detroit style pizza here at Badger State Brewing. And a couple of hazies. Not too bad. You like it?
Pretty good.
Yeah, it's pretty good. Here's the front of Lambeau Field as we take off on this very rainy day. Join us next week as we make our way towards Michigan. I think we are leaving Wisconsin up and heading into Michigan, where we'll visit the site of the wreckage of the Edmund Fitzgerald, made famous by Gordon Lightfoot. We'll take you hooper light hunting on Lake Superior, and he's still looking for them. Also, we'll make our way into Canada. Yay! We're crossing into Canada. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, like and subscribe. And if you'd like to be notified the next time our next video comes out, make sure you hit that notification bell. We usually release new videos every Friday at 5 p.m. Pacific time. Meanwhile, happy trails.